Step 1, make sure gas is secure and turn it on. Step 2, create a gas flow by lighting the stove. Let run 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it back off. These hot water heaters are great. What I love about it is I don't have to keep it lit all the time. I can just light it 5 minutes before I'm ready to take a hot shower. Find this panel, open it up. Next thing I want to do is triple check that there's water in the hot water tank. Quickly pull that. I see I've got water, I'm good to go. Down here, I have a switch and I can turn it to pilot. I then set it up in such a way that it allows me to press this red button down. I hold that for 5 or 10 seconds. I know I have gas flow because I turned on the oven earlier. Now I'm going to light it. Keeping the red button depressed, I hold it into this tunnel and it lights that spout. I'm keeping the red button down for a few seconds to keep it going. I'm going to release the red button, and as you can see, the pilot is lit. What I do now is I turn the pilot knob to on. And at this point I want to be a little bit careful and kind of stand back because this flame will pop for just a second. I'm turning to on, and now I'm going to adjust my dial to just below warm, and I'll hear a click, and that's when the gas is going to kick on. And we like to put it right about there. Here's warm. I keep it here and it gets it nice and hot. We take our showers, we do the dishes, and then I like to come back out to save gas, turn this back off. And next time I want to do it, I just go turn it on about 5 to 10 minutes before I'm ready. And that's it.